Keeping stock levels in Sage 200 up to date can be tricky. Items might be damaged or lost, given away in a promotion, or just reclassified. Excelerator simplifies this process, letting you make stock adjustments in bulk directly through Excel. Today, we'll make stock adjustments using the built-in spreadsheet template and design our own template for stock adjustments. Making stock adjustments using the built-in spreadsheet template. Stock Adjustments Excelerator comes with built-in templates to add new items, write off damaged ones, and manage internal issues and returns. Let's add some new stock. Click Download to open the wizard. We will select our search categories, and then select from the products that were found. Choose the bin locations, and then click Finish. Your stock items have been downloaded to the sheet. Now update the quantity column and change the stock adjustment type to Addition. Click Validate to validate the data, and then Save to Sage. Just like that, the additional stock items have been added to Sage 200 using Excelerator. Designing your own template for stock adjustments. Now let's build a custom stock adjustment template using the Spreadsheet Designer. Click the Designer button. All standard Sage fields are available, so you can create the exact layout that works for you. Start by specifying the number of rows you need. We will now add the stock code, warehouse, bin, total in stock, quantity, adjustment types, and category or area. Your custom template is now ready. Click Download to choose your stock items. Now adjust the quantities in the quantity column. To choose a stock adjustment type, simply right-click and browse on the column. For write-offs, browse on the category or area and then choose Stock Write-Off. We will validate our data and finally save to Sage. It's as easy as that. We designed a custom template and made a stock adjustment in Sage 200 without ever leaving our spreadsheet. Ask us more now on our live chat on our website. Or get in touch today at 020 88 610 610 and let us help you take your accounting and ERP systems to the next level. To learn more about Excelerator, click here, and to see who we are, click here. Connect with us on LinkedIn and X to stay updated with the latest news. You can also contact us by emailing sales@codis.co.uk. And for more information, visit our website, codis.co.uk.